Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Comfort, and to my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. Today we are making one of Liberian traditional dish, which is Grater Dumboy. Yes guys, this is called Grater Dumboy. This dish is actually made with cassava, so we'll start by cleaning up our cassava, peeling it, washing it, and then we grate it, where the main process begins. This dish is a very difficult dish that involves a lot of work from start to end. Before you eat this dish, you will work hard. Yes, so after peeling it, we're able to get this out because of course you have some that will be rotten or bad, so I will have to wash them and then grate them. Through the grading process, you have to take your time because this grater is not your mate. If you don't take time, it's going to also grate your hands or your fingers, which you won't like, or you might not even want to eat the dish. Yes guys, so I took my time to do this and I finished. My fingers was all in tight, nothing got graded. Yes guys, so I grade them. After grading, I move over to the next process.
When the morning breaks with golden fire, the world's a map, each step takes you higher, and every shadow hides a light, my friend, my friend. This isn't the start, there's no bitter end.
At this point, I'm done grading, so I will be like stirring it with my hand to feel any lumps. Then I will remove those lumps and add a little, just a little bit of water to loosen it up so that it will cook evenly, or it won't be difficult to cook inside. And then when I'm done, I'm going to divide it into 3 parts and put it in a clean wash plastic. My water is already on boiling, and then I'll put inside and allow it to cook. Take a time and cook. I allow it to cook for like 30 to 35 minutes, and after which I took it off and I tested it and it was well cooked. So I transfer it into the mortar and I beat it. God, that process is another tough job. It's not for the weak. In fact, Oyibo don't do that job. Because you sweat. Though we are not in Africa, but we participated in some ways that we do it in Africa. In Africa, we actually pan it in the mortar, but we use a bigger mortar, bigger pencil. The process, Africa, the process is just different. It's just like boiling your rice on firewood in the village. That taste will definitely be different from what you will cook in the city on the stove. Yes, so but that won't stop us from eating our traditional food in this diaspora. Yes, we will still participate. So I beat it very well. You have to beat it that it will get smooth. Make sure there is no lumps, and that deep yellow part all will have to look like white or cream like in color. Then you will know that you have done a good job. Then you can now remove it, fix it, and you can eat this. You can eat this domo with palm butter, with pepper soup, with coconut soup. In fact, that coconut soup that I made, yes, I I ate this domo with that coconut soup. So this was me when I was finished beating it, guys. You don't want to see how I was sweating doing this job, but it's all good. It's part of this. It's part of the process. and then I put it in a bowl. I mold it the traditional way again. We mold our fufu in Liberia. Here is it. I mold it well. I had to be putting water so that it won't stick in the plate. I mold it very well. Remove it. Voila! Dish is ready. I added some of my coconut soup and I swallowed this dish and I felt like I'm home. I felt like home. Yes, home sweet home. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.
Comfort in the kitchen where stories unfold, mixing recipes with heart, flavors pure and bold. From sunrise to moonlight, she weaves a tale. With every spice she adds, will never fail. Comfort takes, comfort tells. Every meal she cooks, her passion prevails. To the rhythm of life